Right, tomorrow is my birthday, and it is also the big prize draw we're going to do for my birthday. I try to do one a year. Now, we've got some great prizes this year. Let's have a shufty and see what we've got. We've got 3 thermal imaging cameras. We've got a tyre pressure monitoring system diagnostic kit. I've never used it. I have nothing to diagnose, but it could be a good prize for somebody. We've got a crimping set down here. There it is. There's a crimping set. And we've got a blowgun set, which is really good. I really recommend those. Now, this is only for paying subscribers. There's 270 of you who are paying subscribers, and I'm going back 6 months, and you're included if you didn't subscribe in the last 6 months, and you're still in it, in other words, because I'm very grateful for you helping me. So there's 6 prizes. We're going to go on like a roulette wheel, and I'm going to do it on my computer upstairs because I can't do it down here. And let's see how it comes out. Best of luck, everybody.